Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically add a label to an email in Gmail. It's a super simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time keeping your inbox organized. So yeah, let's jump right in. First, open your Gmail inbox. At the top, you'll see the search bar. Just next to it, there's a little arrow icon. Click that to open the advanced search options. Now, in the field that says From, type in the email address of the sender you want to label automatically. You can also paste it in if that's easier. This tells Gmail exactly which email should get that label. If you want, you can refine this filter a bit more. For example, you can check the box that says has attachment if those emails usually include files. Totally optional, but it can be useful. Once you've set the details, click Create Filter at the bottom right. That's what brings up the action options for these emails. In this menu, check the option that says Apply the label. Then choose a label from the list, or if you'd rather, you can create a brand new one right here. Think about a name that makes sense, like work, receipts, or newsletters. Finally, click Create Filter again to save it. From now on, any emails that match your filter will be tagged with that label automatically. No extra steps needed. And just so you know, you can always edit or remove filters later. Just head to Gmail settings, then filters and blocked addresses. That's where all your rules are stored. And that's it. You've now set up Gmail to automatically add labels to incoming emails. Super quick, super helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.